my name is Jiwoo and I'm from South Korea and I'm a previous student of this college and today is the orientation day 1 and we have the registration and homestay workshop session today. So let's go inside and have a look.
New students are being welcomed by their seniors and guided to the orientation room. I'm also being escorted to the classroom by one of the seniors.
So these are the classrooms that has orientation in it and the teacher's gonna instruct you how to and what to do in the orientation day. I'll just go inside and have a look.
Number 59. 59.
Number 8, orientation, and get you all the information that you need.
Students will need to report to the campus to complete their registration form, and they brought their physical passport and visa and gave it to the student support team. So this is the homestay workshop, and all students who are staying in homestay must attend this session. During the homestay workshop session, you can get a lot of information about the homestay. For example, house rules and policies, introduction to host families, emergency procedures, and international student support. So this was the end of the orientation today, and it recalled a lot of my old memories here because I have a lot of good memories here. This orientation is very informative and it has everything you should know. So thank you guys. So today is the last day of the orientation and we're gonna go to the University of Auckland and we're gonna have the presentation and campus tour. Exciting!
Sky Tower in Auckland.
Since it only takes about 15 minutes to walk from the college to the university, under the guidance of the staff, the students all walk together to the university. Oh look, there's Julian, the head of the college. This is the Albert Park located in the Auckland Central. We need to walk through this park to get to the University of Auckland campus. We finally entered the campus. The first impression of the campus was really spacious and it felt like a beautiful park.
Yeah, we finally arrived at the University of Auckland campus, the business campus here.
The university staff will provide us with information about university life in this auditorium. It will include practical explanations, student insurance, and IT essentials. The students received welcome gifts like this. Inside, there were water bottles, notebooks, and writing utensils. And the karakia was spoken in Maori, the official language of New Zealand. Karakia holds significance in Maori culture as a form of prayer or invocation, and it is used in various contexts. After the presentation, students are enjoying delicious donuts. We'll soon kick off the campus tour at the University of Auckland. Now, let's go.
There's a lovely garden in there and a lot of buildings that you probably will be studying at some point. I guess rules and customs too.
It's a blend of modern architecture and traditional Maori-style buildings, surrounded by ancient trees and a variety of New Zealand flora, creating a vibrant campus environment. Let's all take a group photo together, and that wraps up the campus tour. Now we've returned to the college and had sandwiches. It seems like much tension has been relieved from the students' faces compared to the first day. The orientation schedule has been successfully completed. Thank you for watching this video, and we're excited to welcome our next group of students.